Operational due diligence. Operational due diligence, ODD, is the process by which a potential purchaser reviews the operational aspects of a target company during mergers and acquisitions. Most often odds are conducted in the industrial sector. Process. The OD review looks at the main operations of the target company and attempts to confirm, or not, that the business plan that has been provided is achievable with the existing operational facilities plus the capital expenditure that is outlined in the business plan. Additionally, the OD review will consider whether there is the potential for additional value to be wrought out of the target company by improving its operational function, and also whether there are serious operational risks about which the potential buyer should be concerned, thereby allowing the buyer to consider aborting the deal or renegotiating the price. The approach for OD varies by industry. Reviewers. An OD review is often performed by a third party such as a professional services firm. Often the OD is requested by the bank or other financier that is supporting the acquisition and is interested in the downside risks. OD activities are often focused on analyzing the supply chain, engineering, and manufacturing operations of a target acquisition in detail. Other types of diligence. OD is only one form of due diligence. Others include